Hello class, my name is Jeremiah Jerusalem. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. Before then, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that each time I drop my video, you're going to be notified. My YouTube channel name is Jeremiah Jerusalem. If you're watching this on another social media account, so you can search me on YouTube, Jeremiah Jerusalem, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will always be notified on each video I release. Don't forget to share my videos. And don't forget to like my video. Also drop a comment in the comment box in any of my videos you come across in the internet, specifically on YouTube. So drop a comment in the comment box if you need more clarification. I will personally attend to you. It will help YouTube to take my video viral when you drop a comment, like my videos, and also share it. Don't forget also to follow me on my Facebook page or my Facebook account. Follow me on my Facebook page. My username on Facebook is Jeremiah Jerusalem. Like my video, like my page. Don't forget to share my videos, my content to groups and to your friends in the internet. Also follow me on my Instagram handle. My username also is Jeremiah Jerusalem. Follow me, like my video, and share my video, and also drop a comment as well. Let's go right ahead to solve this given problem. It's a question in mathematics. You can find it in any internal or external examination, or in any examination of higher institution, or probably you're going to write WAEC or internal examination in secondary school. You are going to need this. So the question says, show that tan x in bracket that is multiplied by cosec x minus sin x is equal to what? Cos x. So show that tan x multiplied by cos x minus sin x in bracket is equal to what? Cos x. Now, that means we need to do what? Prove that this is equal to this. Are you getting it? So let's go right ahead to solve it. We are going to prove the left hand side. This is the left hand side, right? And this is the right hand side. So we need to prove that this left hand side is equal to this right hand side. Are you getting me? So what's the left hand side now? We are bringing down the left hand side, which is what? Tan x, which multiply what? Cos x minus sin x. Are you getting me? So in mathematics, tan x, or probably you can replace this x with theta. Are you getting me? Or alpha or beta. So any symbol you wish to do what? To represent it, but I wish to represent it with what? X. I get me. So tan x is equal to what? Sin x all over cos x in mathematics. So and cos x, this cos x is the same thing as this. Are you getting me? So cos x is equal to what? Equals to 1 all over sin x. Are you getting me? Cos x equals to what? 1 all over sin x in mathematics. So you need to take this into consideration as we are solving this problem. So let's solve it. Similarly, we have what? From here, instead of tan x, we are going to write what? Sin x all over cos x, right? So we have what? Sin x all over cos x. Are you getting me? So now we have done this, and in bracket, cos x is what? 1 all over what? 1 all over what? Sin x. So instead of this, we wrote what? This, right? Which is this. So we have what? Minus sin x. So having done that, let's solve it further. So what will we have? We are going to have what now? We are going to have sin x divided by cos x multiplied by what? 1 over sin x, which is what? Sin x all over cos x sin x. Are you getting me? So what next? What next do we have? And we have what? we have sine x cos x multiplied by what? Minus sine x. So we have what? Minus sine square x. Because sine x multiplied by sine x is what? Sine square x, right? Divided by what now? Divided by cos x. Are you getting me? So, having done that, what do we have next? Sine x is going to cancel sine x. Have you seen that now? Similarly, what are we going to have? So, having done that, that means this cancel this. We are going to be left with what? 1 divided by what? Cos x. Because sine x divided by sine x is what? 1. So, we have what? 1 divided by what? Cos x is in the main, right? We have what? Minus sine square x all over cos x. So, have you seen that now? Now let's find the LCM. The LCM of cos x and cos x is what? Cos x. So cos x divided by cos x is what? 1. Anything. So we have what? 1. Then we have what? 1 multiplied by 1. Then we bring down what? Our negative sign. Cos x divided by cos x is what? 1. We have 1. So 1 multiplied by sine square x. 1 multiplied by sine square x. So the reason why I put this in bracket is it shows that what? Is sign of multiplication. So similarly, we have what? 1 multiplied by 1 is what? 1. And we have what? Minus, right? 1 multiplied by sine square x is what? Sine square x. We have divided by cos x. Have you seen that now? But you need to note that. Note. In mathematics, we have sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. It's one of the things you need to note. We are solving this kind of question. Sine square x plus what? Cos square x equals to what? 1. So, what does that imply now? Okay? It implies that cos square x is equal to 1. Cos square x equals to 1. Then sine square x is going to cross the equal sign and become what? And become negative. If it was positive, when it crossed the equal sign, it becomes negative. If it was negative, if it crossed the equal sign, it become what? Positive. But since it is positive, when it crosses the equal sign, it become what? Negative, which is what? Minus. So we have what? Minus sine square x. Are you getting it? So look at this. Look at this carefully. We have what? 1 minus sine square x, which is this. And it's what? Cos square x, right? So now instead of this, we are replacing it with what? With cos square x. Have you seen that now? So we have done that. We have replaced it, right? So we have divided by what? Divided by cos x. Are you getting me now? So, but mind you, similarly, this cos square x is the same thing as what? Cos x multiplied by cos x, right? So because cos x multiplied by cos x is what? Cos square x, right? So we have what? Divided by what? Divided by cos x. So cos x will divide cos x. What are we left with? We are left with only cos x. Have you seen that now? And this is the left hand side. The left hand side, we got the answer as what? Cos x. So you can see the left hand side now is equal to the right hand side. The left hand side is equal to what? The right hand side. Hence, we have done what? We have proved it. So this is the solution to this given problem. See you in my next tutorials.